cool. Ugly tornado.
A classic, huge wedge-shaped tornado, and you can see all the debris coming around the outside of it.
Even in Tornado Alley, in tornado season, they've never seen anything like this.
Oh, there's a huge flash right there. It is just ripping up everything in its path.
Its way towards Oklahoma City.
The storm on the south, we got to watch that one. That's one we got to watch because that's going to be in its own little environment. And
they've been given a warning, but not much of one.
So this thing really developed so quickly. Look at all that debris that you see spitting right around there. This was when it was just west of Moore by just a little bit.
Those in the expected path of the tornado were caught in the panic.
It's going to hit our house, Mom. The house is coming apart. Oh my God. Did you see that? The whole house came apart. Go. Oh, whoa, did you see that? Oh, not good, not good. Oh my God, not good. Oh, what is it doing? Oh, shit.